guys, how's it going? I'm pretty sure you know where I'm going with this by now, because in case you haven't noticed, it's that time of the week again, you know, when I make another kick-ass video for y'all to just kick back to. And if you have absolutely no idea about what I just said, then I'm your host Karan Bajaj, aka Dubai's friendly neighborhood property man. Now, when it comes to buying an affordable property, right, an aspect that is often understated, if not overlooked entirely, is its design, both interior and exterior. But what if there was a developer that was literally obsessed with this aspect in particular, so much that they ended up designing homes that were not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing to the very last detail. So without further ado, I bring you a meticulously crafted contemporary community, Belgravia Square. But wait! Be sure to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel if you like real estate videos in Dubai, video game style. Alright, so in one sentence, Belgravia Square is a community of two L-shaped low-rise buildings that are 4 stories each, located in JVC, and consists of 225 studio 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments due for completion in Q3 2022. Developed by the boutique developer Ellington Properties, this project is yet another iteration of their successful Belgravia community series and features grand lobbies that are built to impress, along with beautiful sculptures made by local artists. So listen up, the exteriors are characterized by a grey facade with bold horizontal lines, along with a wood texture and vibrant lighting to balance the greys, thereby creating a warm glow, while the interiors adopt a color scheme of white, grey and black and have monochrome photography on the walls of common areas to add an element of drama. Talking amenities, this project boasts a plush lounge and includes a pool table and a TV lounge with comfortable seating for small groups. But I'm going to pop the entire list of these amenities on screen for you guys to be able to pause and read them if you like right about now. And if you're wondering about location and proximities, then say no more. Okay guys, so right now we are about to check out a 1-bedroom show apartment for Belgravia Square at the Ellington office, because this project actually hasn't been constructed yet. Nonetheless, this is going to be one heck of a show apartment tour, and you guys are going to see why in a bit. Okay, so immediately as I enter, what do we start off with first? Okay, starting off with the flooring, we have porcelain tiling, alright? To my left, we have an open kitchen, and I've got a lot to talk about in this open kitchen, so you guys better keep up. Okay, so starting off with the appliances, we have a refrigerator and freezer built into these left-hand side cabinets over here. Now let me just close that. We have a microwave oven, right, and an oven under that. Now, we have a gas stove, and we have a concealed dishwasher, right? These appliances are going to be from either Tika or Zanussi. Moving on to the kitchen sink, we have a main kitchen bowl over here and a little bowl that has a drain of its own. You know, it's a separate cordoned off area where you can use to wash and dry your utensils and do whatever. Pretty utilitarian if you ask me. The kitchen sink mixer comes with a spray flow. Yeah, did I say that right? Look at that. Okay. Now the countertop, this black countertop over here is made out of quartz, very durable. And moving on to the aspect of Ellington that makes it super interesting, right? The functionality aspect, that it blends with the aesthetics. So I'm going to move on to the storage spaces. I'm going to open one of these cabinets one by one. I pressed it. It has a spring mechanism where it releases, and you can just open that. Now, get a good look at how much storage space you guys can expect. Pretty, let me just go in there. Okay, nice. Let's open the one underneath that. Okay, we have let me squat that. All right. I've got a lot of, let me just open cabinets one by one quickly so you guys can have a good look. Okay. Let me open this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, what am I doing this video? Opening cabinets for a living for you guys. Not that I don't enjoy it, I love it. So yeah, it has a little area over here where you can put your kitchen, equipment and paraphernalia. Very nice attention to detail over here. Let me open this area. Okay, under the sink you can see there's plenty of storage space. Can you guys see that? I don't know, my big head is in the way. But okay, Oh, this one I already opened. This was the dishwasher. Now, moving on to, okay, let's start off in the space where I just entered. To my right, we have a powder room. This one doesn't have a door because this is a show apartment, but come the time they hand over your apartment, it will have a door, in case you guys are wondering. Okay, we have a vanity top and a toilet bowl over here. I'm going to talk more about the fittings and sanitary ware when we get to the main bathroom of this one-bedroom show apartment. Now, proceeding, okay, before I leave this area, right, I need to tell you that this particular kitchen socket, right, has 2 USB power outlets. Very nice attention to detail. Like I said, this is what I mean when I say that Ellington really takes their attention to detail and are very meticulous in their design. Okay, we have a breakfast bar over here as well to my left. Put 2 stools if you like. And this breakfast bar actually has a little cabinet over here because you can never have too much storage space. Nice. Now, moving ahead towards the living space. Immediately to my left, we have the dining space, right? And right ahead of me, we have the living space. Ceilings are pretty high, 3.2 meters to be precise. I'm gonna check out that balcony towards the end of this tour, right? So don't go anywhere. You better not go anywhere, guys. Okay, oh, nice mirror over here. All right, okay, let's check out the bedroom. But before we do that, let me show you guys this concealed space right outside the bedroom. This is actually a laundry/utility room. You can see a bunch of shelves, right, and a bunch of stuff that you can put in. I don't know what you guys put in your laundry/utility rooms. But yeah, this doesn't come with a washing machine, right? But this is the space where it's meant to be placed. Duh. And you can put in stuff like an ironing board, vacuum cleaner, whatever you guys like to put in. Okay, now, this area of the show apartment doesn't have a door, like I said, because it is a show apartment, but the door is meant to be here that leads up to the bedroom. Okay, what do we check out first? Okay. Before I enter the bedroom, right, to my right, we have a little section for the built-in wardrobes. And these built-in wardrobes are particularly interesting. I don't think they're anything like you guys have ever seen before, not at least in my channel, on my channel. Because, look, let me just show you. They are bespoke wardrobes, right? I'm gonna open each one of them because they're very spacious. You put your suitcase over there, you can hang your clothes over here. Nice height clothes rack over here. 3 drawers, I'm gonna open one of them. You can see how much space there is, guys, to give you guys an idea. Okay, and if you think this wasn't spacious enough, right? This little corner area of the built-in wardrobes may not seem like much, but when I open them, right? 1 and 2, you guys can see that they've taken their space saving very seriously. All right, we have a little dark here, but we have a nice clothes rack over here, some shelves over here. You can put a little stroller right under the clothes rack, and yeah, you see a little purse over there. Suitcases right above that. Very nice, very spacious. Okay, let me close that. You close it like this. 1 and 2. Okay, next set of built-in wardrobes. We have 2 clothes racks and an area where you can put your suitcase on top. Nice, pretty neat. So, moving on to the bathroom, right, the door will be right here. This is a show apartment, so no door. But yeah, we have a generously sized and spacious vanity top, right, a toilet bowl and a shower. The fittings are from WW and Gebrit, and the sanitary ware are from WW. All right, I'm gonna enter the shower to give you guys an idea. Okay, we have a rain shower over here, and behind me, you have a little platform where you can put your toiletries, you know, bathroom paraphernalia, accessories, Epsom salts, whatever you guys do to enjoy your baths and showers. Okay, oh, and I need to go back to this vanity top because this mirror over here doubles as a nice cabinet, right? Look at that. 2 power outlets for your shavers and 2 drawers right underneath the vanity top. This is one. And the other one similar. Just gonna open one, but yeah, you guys get the point. All right, pretty spacious. Yeah. All right. Now exiting the bathroom, time to check out the bedroom of this apartment. Very spacious, as you guys can see. Okay. Now this bedroom opens up to a balcony that attaches to the living space. So do we enter the balcony from here? Yeah, let's enter from here. Okay. So this is Not the view that you guys are gonna get because this show apartment is not on site, but just to give you guys an idea as to how much space you guys can expect, we have a decently sized balcony over here. Hope you guys enjoyed the show apartment tour of this one-bedroom show apartment for Belgravia Square. And that was episode 13 of the Property Game of Tours featuring Belgravia Square. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And if you'd like to book a free consultation with Dubai's friendly neighborhood property man, I mentioned a link in the description box as well. If you'd like to rent, buy or sell property, check out famproperties.com. We're one of the best, if not the best, just saying. And I will see you guys in the next one.